There's got to be more than going back and forth, from doing right to doing wrong, 'cause we were taught that's who we are. Well, come on, get in line right behind me, you along with everybody. Thinking there's worth in what you do.
Way back on our college year, so it's 2012 nung nagkakilala kami sa school, very classmate din. Nagkaroon kami ng communication.
Well, let me introduce you to Amazing Grace.
High school namin kasi, di ba, uso dati yung room off. Kinuha niya yung number ko doon. Pero hindi ako sa kanya nagpapakonnect na. Bale, siya mismo yung kinonnect niya yung number niya para sa akin, para ma-message niya ako.
Has made you flawless. Has made you flawless.
Welcome to my wedding day!
Let's go! No matter the pain, still the truth is the cross has made. The cross has made you flawless. Could it possibly be?
Ano siya, mabait, maaalalanin, then white material talaga siya. Yun talaga yung nakita ko sa kanya, ano siya, lovable, then understanding all the time.
A filthy wretch like this and wrap him up in righteousness. But that's exactly what he did. No
Matagal naman natin itong pinalangin, di ba? Ngayon, ito na talaga. Kakisal na tayo. Kahit pa paano, may iraraos natin lahat. Basta magkasama lang tayo palagi.
The cross has made you flawless. Has made you flawless. No matter the hurt or how deep the wound is, no matter the pain, still the truth is the cross.
Room, you may kiss your bride.
Has made you flawless. Oh yeah. Take a breath, smile and say right here, right now, I'm okay because the cross was enough. Woke up
Wives, submit to your husband as to the Lord. Yes. In verse 23, for the husband is the head of the wife, as Christ is the head of the church, his body, of which he is the Savior. Now, as the church submits to Christ, so also wives should submit to their husband in everything.
I have overcome the world. So take heart.
Buti na lang, ginalaw mo ng baso.
Ikaw na next.
Heavy weight above your chest. Take my hand. I know it's looking
This day,
This day,
before God
before God
and these witnesses,
and these witnesses,
I vow to be a husband to you,
I vow a husband to you,
to submit to you,
to submit to you,
to learn to say,
to learn to say,
yes, dear,
yes, dear,
to inspire
to
you.
inspire you.
Do you remember singing back when
God has given me,
God has given me,
other than my salvation,
other than my salvation,
is your love
is your love
and you
and you
to share my life.
to share my life.
I vow before God
I bow before God
and these witnesses
and these witnesses
to be a wife to you.
to be a wife.
and let me lift that heavy weight above your chest.
12 years may seem short as we journey into forever. As we build our life together, I promise to keep Christ at the center of our marriage. We seek God's will for each life, trusting His wisdom and guidance. I promise to love you and comfort you all the time. I will support you in your dreams, and I knew that God has best plan for us. I love you.
Take heart. Well, in this
Sir ko, ngayong araw nandito tayo sa harapan ng pamilya at kaibigan natin para maging iisa. Nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos kasi dumating ka sa buhay ko.
Mabuti na lang naglakas loob kang kunin ang number ko. Simula nung nagkakilala tayo, alam kong nagbago ang buhay ko. Ngayon, alam ko na. Dahil hinayaan mo ako maging ako. Nang dahil doon, mas nagkakilala at pinagtibay tayo. Ikaw yung kilala ugali ko, pero pinili mo pa din. Marami na tayong pagsubok na nalagpasan, pero mas madami pa tayong pagdadaanan na magkasama. Ikaw at ako, tayong dalawa hanggang dulo.
Oh, child, take